Okay, we're going to take a look at the difference between manual to mechanized welding. So an easy way to look at this is just like your arm. So here we have a weave motor, so you can think of that like your wrist holding the torch, this like your elbow moving in and out, and this axis like your shoulder moving around. So then we control all of this with this pendant here. So then another big difference is we're watching this with a camera from underneath the weld and we're pulling. So rather than watching through a welding helmet, you're watching through this camera here. So if we come back and look over here, this is the view that you'll have while welding. So you can see we've got the torch here, the wire coming out, and then you can see the puddle right there and the joint in there clearly. So it's just a much better view of the weld. And then as well, rather than moving your wrist, you'll adjust the weave width here and the weave speed there. We'll control all the movements with this joystick here. The lasers are also going to assist in tracking the joint too. And then we can adjust our positioner speed through this, our wire feed speed here, our arc length or our trim here, and our arc controller, our Ultimark here. And then as well, we have a couple other settings that you can control on here.